Welcome to the Voidspark Chronicles, day 128. My name's Landon, you're watching RPG ABC, and we are playing this quest calendar every day this year and having a ton of fun with it. Let's see. Something that may have changed since last time I recorded, the camera setup. This camera is now a bit higher up, looking down at me. I am just testing out this new stand thing I got for other reasons, but I think it could work for this as well. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments about this new camera setup. It's the same camera, just a different position. That's all. Not that big of a deal. I'll just have to remember to look up, and that's it. Let's see. Previously on the quest calendar, we found the space station that the scientists wanted us to go to in order for us to find more information about where they may have taken Andy. I believe that was the case. And we scanned it. No sign of life forms, but I feel like it might have been a low roll because of that. You can... What's the saying? You can trust positive results, but negative results are deceiving because it might be a false negative. There are false positives, but if you go in expecting danger, then, or if you go in expecting it to be positive, then when it's negative, it's a relief. Where if you go in expecting it to be negative, when it's a positive, it's catching you off guard sort of thing. So, let's just jump into today, right? Which is Monday, May 29th. 2023. And this is like one of the first times I'm actually recording today. I was not feeling well yesterday, so I didn't get a chance to pre-record, but today I'm finally recording and feeling better a little bit, but good enough to sit here and record for a while. So, today, the nearest door to the lab facility is locked. The keypad seems to have power, though. So we have choices. We can enter the code, and then... Oh, okay. Then we have choices. So first, let's enter the code. The following appears on the keypad. 5 blank 3 blank 1 blank 4 equals 6. Type in the correct 3 keys of the following 4 to make the equation correct. So we have plus, minus, divide, and multiplication. The solution is at the bottom. Trying not to look there. Let's see. If we know we have 6, right? If it would be weird if it was something like 5 times 3 would be 15, plus 1 would be 16, divided by 4 would not be 6. So I don't think it's something crazy like that, but... And I'm not sure if multiplication makes sense anywhere except times 1 in that situation. But like 5, plus 3, and then if we subtract 4 would just be 4, let's see, I can't think of anything where it would be like, if we, like 5 minus 3 would be 2, plus 1 would be 3, times 4 would be 12, so that's clearly not the answer. 5... Well, 5 minus 3 is 2, plus 4 is 6, so if we times it by 1, yeah, right? Yeah. Or I guess divide 2, because 5 divided by 1 would be 5, right? I don't know, but I think that's gotta be the answer, right? 5 minus 3 times 1 would still be 2. So 5 minus 3 equals 2. Times 1 would still give us 2. Plus 4 would give us 6. Alright, so I'm going to write that down. It's 5 minus 3 times 1 plus 4 equals 6. Right? I think that's the answer. So we're going to flip and look at the solution. 5 minus 3 times 1 plus 4 equals 6. We got it. We got it. Awesome. If you guess correctly, the system disables the emergency door lock, but you still need to get past the main locking mechanism. Gain a +2 bonus to all options for number 2. Awesome. We get a +2 bonus. We can pick the mechanical locking mechanism, which is a dexterity reminder locksmith, which we do have. That would be a +7 for us. That's pretty good. We can hack the access panel. I don't think we could actually do that. We can break down the door. No. And we can blast down the door with damage. Our damage is actually pretty good at 2d10 plus 1. But I think we're going to go dexterity. That is... Oh, I don't have my tray. Sorry, my dice rolling tray. That's why I have all that extra space there. There we go. I think we're going to go dexterity. With that +7, I just feel really good about that. So let's go ahead and go with that. We're going to pick the mechanical locking system. With a 13 +7, that'll be an unnatural 20. If the result is 16 or more, you manage to release the locking mechanism to open the door. We got the best result. Fantastic. We opened the door. No issues there. And that is it for today. We get the door unlocked. I guess tomorrow we'll open it, see what's behind this door. I really hope that it's not combat, because we are still hurting quite a bit. We only have the 1 med kit, which is frightening to me, but yeah, we'll just have to deal with that as we can. So thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of the daily adventures of the quest calendar in the Voidspark Chronicles, and join the Discord if you want to play any tabletop role-playing games with me. And of course, until next time, keep rolling dice.